We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment number 210. We're on the 2nd floor of the 6th floor building, and we're at the west end of the hallway. Let's go on into the apartment. This is a corner unit. As we enter into the apartment, you'll see that the kitchen here has a nice counter bar right as we enter, which is a great place to stick your items and have a little breakfast nook if you like. And this one is a renovated kitchen. So you can see here, if you've been looking at some of the other videos, this is what one of the renovated kitchens looks like. We have the updated cabinets, new appliances, and there is updated flooring in here. And all the kitchens will have a refrigerator, stove, microwave, dishwasher. And let's go around and take a look at the living space in the apartment. We're passing by the bathroom, we'll come back and look at that. The living room will have that sofa, there's an easy chair, and 2 tables, the coffee table and end table. There's a dining table and chair over here. Let's take a look at some of the furnishings. You can see the air conditioner over here. There is an air conditioner in all 3 rooms. You have control of the heat for all 3 rooms as well. And we're on the Dryden Road side of the building. This is the north side of the building, so we've got some great people watching opportunities here in Central Collegetown. Let's go take a look at the bathroom and then we'll visit those bedrooms in this unit. So again, the bathroom is right over here. Let's take a look. This bathroom is a renovated bathroom, so we do have the updated vanity in here and a new floor. And you can see the full-size standing tub shower, the toilet, the vanity, medicine cabinets over here on the right. So this apartment is a corner unit. We have one room that's facing to the west and the living room and the other bedroom face to the north. Let's go on to the bedroom number 1, which is on the left here. The bedrooms will always have the same furnishings. There'll be the dresser, the desk and chair, the full-size bed, and a nice tall bookshelf. You can see the air conditioner over here and the heating unit over here. Again, you have individual control of those here in Collegetown Center. And you can see we're looking towards Collegetown Plaza, but over to the right, we do have a little bit of Ithaca Lake over there, the south end of the lake you can see to our north. Let's go on through. There's the closet. I'll open the closet in the next room so you can get a look at that. We're gonna pass back through the living room. We're going to go into bedroom 2. This is the one that's on the Dryden Road side of the building. Again, same furnishings, the bookshelf, the dresser, the desk and chair. You can see the air conditioner over there, the full-size bed. There's the heater, and let's take a peek in the closet. So you can see it's a regular closet. We've got some good closet space in here. And again, let's take a look out the window and see a little bit towards the south end of Ithaca Lake. You can see a piece of it right over there to our north. So that's a look at Collegetown Center, apartment number 210. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment here at this building located at 151 Dryden Road, where we are just 1 block from campus.